Hi, I'm Arun Dorairajan. I'm a Principal Solutions Architect at Axway, and we are here at API World, the biggest API convention and expo. What I'm going to do today is I'm going to go ahead and start asking people what the future of APIs is. So please come along and join me in this journey. Hi, we're with Shannon here at Smart Bear. Shannon, what do you think is the future of APIs?
The future of APIs is, frankly, everything. They're connecting the world. I mean, think about all of the different uses. We have people connected far and wide, more than ever before. We have more and more objects using APIs, Internet of Things. I mean, it's really connecting people, connecting things, making people's lives better through technology. That's the power of APIs.
Thank you. Thank you.
No problem.
Awesome. We're with VS Joshi, asking you, what do you see as the future of APIs?
Hi everybody, my name is VS Joshi. I'm the founder of a company called Trintming, and we had built a Facebook app, and we consumed the Facebook APIs to build our app. Unfortunately, Facebook deprecated its APIs, and the moment it deprecated its APIs, our value proposition was completely lost.
Oh.
So that is the reason why I'm here, just to understand, okay, how do you safeguard yourself from the platform deprecating their APIs, not sharing the information which they were sharing earlier.
Right. I'm with Natalia here. And hi Natalia, how are you?
Well, thank you.
Are you enjoying the show so far?
I am. Lots of great companies.
Great. So what do you think, being here for a while, what do you think about the future of APIs?
I think that APIs certainly have a future, and they are a very important part of developments taking place in the next decade. And coupled together with these security measures, these CRMs, and AI, blockchain can actually secure quite a bit of the data that we use and make it less threatened by attacks. So putting these things in these kinds of categories will let technology be less scary and more usable for us with a lot of peace of mind. I hope so.
Thank you. That's awesome. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
For me, the future of APIs is focused less on technology and more what they can actually do for you and how they're going to change our lives.
Awesome.
I hope that I'm fed up with the fact as a consumer that too much of my life is disjointed bits of data, disjointed bits of technology. I want APIs to be able to bring that all together and make my life better, and technology to make my life better.
I'm not so sure I know the future of APIs, but I do know that digital transformation projects are driven by API infrastructures. And at Ping Intelligence, we focus on using AI to understand precisely how every API is accessed and used.
And that makes sense. You know, people are not thinking about security as much. They're just building APIs.
That's right.
In the future, you have AI, artificial intelligence, to protect these APIs in a proactive manner, not reactive, but a more proactive manner.
That's right. And the idea is to know precisely how every API is accessed and used, so that you can have the visibility to recognize when something is not normal anymore.
Right.
And the beauty with the integration we've done with Axway is the ability to block automatically when an attack is going on.
Right. Awesome.
Thank you.
Hi, we're with Ladell here. It's QA for Mind Body. Ladell, what do you think is the future of APIs?
I think APIs are definitely becoming very relevant in the everyday world, and I believe as a QA we need to make sure those APIs are giving the correct data and not exposing anything or allowing any type of security risk. So the future of APIs, I believe we all need to be very cognizant of what we're exposing out there, and also what we're allowing people to access. So I feel like as API producers, we should be cognizant of that we're not the only people using APIs, that everyday people are going to start using them, and we should be very cognizant of that.
Right, that's awesome. And that's why you use Axway's API management solution. Secures your APIs, and like Laurel was just talking, we need to do that because that's the future. The future of APIs is to make them secure and make sure that your consumers are getting the right set of data with the right set of authentication authorization. Thank you.